Hi everyone, this is Mrs. McGee, and I love math. It's okay if you don't love math. I love it enough for all of us, and I'm here to help you understand it better. Let's get started. Today we're going to talk about distributive property. When we're doing distributive property, you need to think about a couple of things. First of all, you have to remember that many times parentheses are used to indicate multiplication. We are multiplying 3x to everything inside this parentheses. The other thing that you need to remember is what the word distributing is talking about. When you distribute something, you don't just give it to one thing. You distribute it to more than one. You pass it out. You're passing it out. So when we're doing distributive property, the 3x has to be multiplied to the 2x, and the 3x has to be multiplied to the negative 7. Always check the sign. If it's a minus 7, we have to multiply it to that negative 7. Minus 7 is the exact same value as a negative 7. They're the same thing, just two different names. So when we're multiplying this, it's important that you do it step by step. We're going to take the coefficients, and we're going to say 3 times 2 is 6. Then we're going to take x times x, and that gives us x squared. After we do that, we're going to take the 3x, and we're going to multiply it to the negative 7. We're going to do 3 times negative 7, which is negative 21, and we can't forget times x. Even though the 7 doesn't have an x connected, that it's just a constant 7, it's still 3x times 7. So it's 3 times x times negative 7, which gives us negative 21x. That is as far as we can go. There's several mistakes that people make from time to time, and one of the most common mistakes is that students only multiply the 3x and the 2x, and they just put minus 7 at the end. Make sure you don't make that mistake. Make sure you multiply everything outside the parentheses to everything inside the parentheses. A very common mistake that people make is they try to combine these two together. X squared is a different value than x, and you cannot put those together. Our brain tells us that we need to somehow get rid of this minus sign, but that's not true. In math, 6x squared minus 21x is a valid answer. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. If this was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.